the channel, guys. Good morning. I hope you guys are doing well. Wherever you are, I send you love. Today is what is it, Tuesday morning, and I'm getting ready to go harvest some potatoes. I planted these potatoes since April, and I believe it is time to harvest our potatoes. I'm hoping, guys, that these potatoes are much better than what we had last year. Last year we planted potatoes and they did okay, but they weren't big. You know, the size of them weren't really big. And so I'm hoping that this year I get a better harvest. And if you're interested in and see what we got out of them this year, stick around. I'll see you in a second. All right, fam, before I go harvest my potatoes, I have some onions that I'm going to show you guys that I purchased from Amazon. And these, I'm going to take them outside of the bag because I don't want them sweating. And they put some soil in the bag as well. So these are the onions that I want to plant this year. And I just purchased these and I got them from Amazon, but I realized that some of them are not doing so good. You know, like this one is very soft, and look at this one is not good either, but I'm still gonna see if I can find the best of whatever is in here to plant them. There are red onions, white onions, and some yellow onions as well. So we'll see how these come out. I'm gonna plant them. I'm gonna prepare my bed to plant these, and I believe I'll plant them in, I know they said you can plant your onions in October or November, depending on the location where you're at, depending on the days, you know, if you have long days or short days. So I'm hoping to get these in very soon. So I'm gonna keep them in here because I don't want them to spoil. And as you can see, these probably already been through one cycle, because the bulb is usually that. If they already been through 1 year, that means that they're just small onions. And I'm hoping that these will grow and not bulb on me. And so yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that this is the onion set that I purchased, and I'm hoping that these will do pretty good. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, family, so here we go. This is the potatoes that I'm going to harvest today. I have another set of potato over here as well. These here that you're looking at, I did not plant these, but for some reason God has blessed us with volunteer potatoes from last year, and I'm going to go ahead and harvest this set first and see what we get out of this. What I get out of here, I don't know. And the funny thing is, last year, as I harvest these potatoes last year, somebody said to me, Marsha, you may have potatoes left back in here. So I'm gonna just see if there's any potatoes in here, guys. I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna see what I get out of here. So far, I see this. There's one right here. They're still small. Oh my goodness. I got this one with the fork, guys. Oh, I paired this one with the fork, but look at this. Even though I just paired with the fork, but still a nice sized potato. I am very excited, guys. This is really good. All right, so let's see what else is in here. This is a small one. Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Look, guys. Look at this potato. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at this one. Look at this potato, guys. This is amazing. Look at that potato. That is a really nice potato. Oh my Father. These are just potatoes from last year that was left back in here, family. And the universe is giving us potatoes that we didn't even plant. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh. Look at this one.
Oh, I wish Mr. Lewin was here to see this. See, another potato right here. See, another one right here, guys. I don't want to dig, and next thing you know, I scratch them up. There's a small one right there. These are some small ones. I'm going to take them because I want to plant them back for next year. Yeah, family, you know, sometimes you plant stuff. Sometimes you plant your things. You plant them and they don't come up right away. Or you didn't do good last year, and this year you may do better. Because look at that, family. I did much better than I did last year. So don't give up when you're planting. When you're planting your things, family, don't give up, because one year may do better than the next, and you just have to keep going. When you're planting, it doesn't always come out perfect your first year, but you just gotta keep trying, keep going at it. Under here, what's under here? Some may be small, some may be big, but you'll get something out of it to feed your family. Look at this. Right here. Oh my goodness. Look at this one, guys. Look at the potato. This is a beautiful potato, guys. Beautiful potato. Look at this one right here. These potatoes, guys, are the Korean potatoes. That's what I planted here last year, and I did not plant not one of these potatoes, guys. I didn't plant not one of these potatoes. But look what I'm harvesting from last year. All right, family, so this is what I've gotten so far from this area right here. And I'm pretty pleased, guys, because I did not plant these potatoes. So I feel blessed that I'm able to get some potatoes that were volunteer potatoes. So these are the volunteer potatoes that I did not plant. These were from last year, and we probably had a few of small ones that left over, and this is what we produced from it. So I'm gonna go over to the other side and see what we have over there. So stay tuned, guys. Let me show you the surprise that we have here on the homestead, and I've been wanting one of these for the longest. Look, guys, I've been wanting one of these for the longest. Can you tell what that is, guys? Yes, it is a peahen. So this is a peahen. I just picked this peahen up. My friend Mr. Willie called and told us that he have a peahen and I should come and get her. So this is the peahen. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her in with the boys up here, and I'm gonna see how they accept her. So let's see if we could get her inside of the peacock house over here. All right, so hold on, guys. All right, guys, so let's see if the boys is gonna accept her. Mr. Willie told me that they may push her around a little bit, but it's not gonna hurt them. So we'll see how they accept her. Go, girl. Go on. She might be nervous, guys. She's like, it's two boys in here. How am I gonna get out? Come on, girl. Come on. Come on. There she go. There she go. There she go. All right. Well, the boys, they don't seem to care, guys. They don't seem to care if she's here or not, but maybe not now. So yes, guys, so we got this peahen, and Mr. Louis, I always say Mr. Louis. Mr. Willie called me and he said, Marsha, come on down. I got you a peahen. So I was so excited when he called me. I was like, yay! So, because I really wanted to get a peahen for well, not the boys, because I'm gonna have to take out one of the peacock, because you know I don't want her to have two peacock in here. I want to choose one of them that I want to use to maybe breed her, and then I just have to select which one I'm gonna take out. But for now, she'll be here, and you know, we'll see how it turns. I just want to say thank you to Mr. Willie for always being so generous and so thoughtful, for, you know, giving us a call when he have these beautiful birds. All right, family, I gotta get some of this stuff outside of this area so I can get to the potatoes. So hopefully there's some good potatoes in here. As I was saying, that this variety is the Korean potatoes and also the garnet variety as well. So I'm gonna try to dig down and see what I can find under here. So let me see. I don't wanna have to scar them again. So I'm gonna take my time this time, because I don't want to scar them up. Oh, I don't want to do that. Uh-oh, there's a frog right here. There's a frog, guys. A little froggy over here. Oh, I don't see anything yet, guys. And I really don't want to tear them up. Don't see no potato yet. This must have been. See how this one came out? This must be the one that I planted before or something for it to look that way. Not sure why it looks this way, but that's right here. I broke one off, guys. It broke it off. Oh man. Something has been eating my potatoes, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Potato. Whatever has been eating the potato. I should have came out here and get them earlier. And I kept saying to Mr. Louis, look at this, guys. I guess the rodent come out here and they've just been eating the potatoes. Look at that. Oh my goodness. They've been eating the potatoes, guys. Whatever. Been eating all the potatoes. Oh my goodness. Well, there's a nice one here. Hopefully they didn't get to all of them, guys. Hopefully I got something from this. Oh man. I think I just broke that one, guys. Yeah, well, they look pretty good. See, guys? Not bad. Another one, guys, right here. There's a few more right here. All right, guys, I think that is it. Whew. All right, family, I think that's it. Oh, I'm tired, guys. I think that would be it for today. We have gotten some potatoes and they're looking pretty good, guys. So I'm happy about that. All right, let me see here. So this is the potatoes that we got so far. I got a few out of here. I wish there was more, but this one is not the best looking one, but I'm probably gonna leave it to plant next year. And some of these small ones I will plant for next year as well. Like these little ones here, I'm gonna leave them to plant for next year. So we got a nice little harvest, and I'm pretty satisfied with what we got, because we didn't plant some of them, so I have to be grateful, right? Anyway, guys, I'm trying to catch my breath, family. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and also leave your comment down below and let me know how your potatoes are doing if you plant potatoes. And I will see you guys in the next one, family. Walk good and stay on your purpose. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.